Welcome to this Easy Computer Fixes channel where we talk about all platforms. And today we're going to show you in the Galaxy phones, the Samsung phones. If you're on Android 9 Pie, one of the new features that is really cool is the dark mode. And this not only is cool because it's easier on the eyes, but it also is cool because it saves battery life. There's less lighting, especially on these OLED screens. So how do you enable or disable dark mode in a Galaxy S8, S9, or any a Samsung phone that has been upgraded to Android 9 Pie? Well, you swipe down from the top of the screen to make sure that you go into your settings. You'll see that little settings gear on the upper right corner. Once you're there, you go down to display. In display, you will go down and you'll see something called night mode. Turn it off, you're back in white. Turn it on, you're in dark mode or night mode as they call it. It's a great way to save battery. And I gotta say, I love this night mode on my phone. It is an amazing feature and it's really, really cool to use and saves battery at the same time. So that's pretty much how you do it. Once again, from the top of the screen, you go and swipe down. You'll see the settings gear on the right side. It will bring you here. You go down to display, and then you go down to night mode. Once again, you can turn it off. You'll be back at a white display, or you can turn night mode on and enjoy a nice dark mode on your Samsung phone. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and hopefully you enjoy our little tips and tricks video for Android.